Hello, hello, and welcome. So, this is the info call or video for the Meditation and Mindfulness 4 week experience. Before I get into, the details and all that good stuff, I want to first introduce myself just in case you don't know who I am or you stumbled across this video or somebody shared it with you. So I'm Jamie, and I'm the founder of Black Moms Guide to Calm, which is a safe space where stressed out mommies and women come to overcome their overwhelm and find their inner peace, joy, wholeness, and relief. And one of the main ways I teach mommies and women how to do this is through meditation. So before I get into, what this whole program entails, I just wanted to share a little bit of my own story and journey to starting my own meditation practice. And this is an abbreviated version. So it all started back in really 2014. It was a few months after I had my daughter. And so before then, I've always been somebody who deals with anxiety. I can be an overthinker. I'm a kind of a control freak, recovering control freak, and I, had the tendency to worry a lot. But then after having Nyla, uh, those things did not go away. Kind of, got worse a little bit just because of the stress of being a new mama and things not being as I expected them to be as a parent. Sometimes you have this idea of what parenthood will entail, and then it's like a 180, totally different than what you thought. So that was me. And so, of course, I was stressed out, overwhelmed, and I was also dealing with postpartum depression. And I was one of those people who was trying to snap back into not necessarily pre-baby, but just, tone up and all that good stuff. And so to do that, I actually started practicing yoga. I had heard about it before. I had even practiced a little bit years before in like 2007, 2008. But then I kind of fell off. But then I started doing yoga to snap back. But what happened was, well, I did get to tell my body some, but also I started meditating because that is often a part of yoga. And so when I had those two practices, I noticed how much calmer I was. It was like like that. That's the feeling that I got from it. And I noticed that I was worrying less. I was able to be in the present moment more. I just had this sense of inner peace and calm within, and it was like so amazing and so transformative that I decided to start our own new brand. Um, at the time, it was called Black Girls Got to Calm, and really my purpose and intention was to share what I had experienced with women who looked like me, because at the time in like 2015, there wasn't a lot of people who looked like me, on the interwebs practicing yoga or talking about meditation. So I was like, I want to share this with people who look like me. So I started this brand. Long story short, and then I changed to Black Moms Guide to Calm in 2018. And so I've been spreading the meditation and calm gospel ever since, I guess you could say. And so even now, so I've been practicing meditation consistently for about 6 or 7 years now. And so it's really been life changing for me. And it still is because I have a daily practice. Sometimes I do fall off, I will admit that, but I pretty much have a daily practice, and it helps me to find calm throughout my day when the day is stressful or life is challenging, like especially during this pandemic. Having a meditation and mindfulness practice has been super helpful in helping me to like not freak out about things and not, go crazy or as crazy, being in the house in last semester doing virtual learning. And so, ironically enough, or not, today was kind of stressful for me. But, having or reminding myself to take deep breaths and saying affirmations to myself or, reminding myself to be present has really helped me. And so, these are some of the things that I will be talking about in the meditation and mindfulness 4 week program experience. So just to give you an overview, so there is a site now or a page on the site where you can learn more and sign up. But let me just tell you what this whole thing entails. Okay. So for the first week, we will talk about simple meditation methods and breathing methods that you can use to find your calm. These are all simple meditation and breathing techniques. It's simple in the sense that there aren't a lot of steps and it's not super complicated. It might be challenging at first though, because if you're new to meditation or deep breathing or any kind of breathing other than your normal breathing, it can be challenging to get used to at first. But that's why these are called practices. So you can, you know, improve and get better in the sense of, allowing it to let it benefit you. So that's week one, meditation and breathing methods for calm. And then the second week, we will be talking about mindfulness, everyday mindfulness, ways that you can be more present in your life every day. Simple things, again, and quick things. So, because like I know if you're like me, you might not have a lot of time you want to commit time to these things, right? But you might want to do them more quickly. And that's totally fine because I know a lot of us have a lot going on. So these are all things that you will be able to do in relatively short amounts of time. So yeah, that is week two, mindfulness. And then week three, we will be doing some mindful movement. So I will be doing some yoga or showing you some yoga for calm because yoga is a great way to find calm and to also practice mindfulness and get into a meditative state. And then I will record or have a recording where you can do a walking meditation. So that's another thing. And we might even do it together, have a session where we do walking meditation. And then on week four, we will talk about mantras and affirmations with meditation and then using them to get in a meditative and calm state. And also how you can use meditation as a part of your spiritual practice, no matter what your religion or spiritual practice is. And in addition to that, we will have weekly guided meditations that will be live. I will also have audios, videos, and PDFs with various exercises. So not only will we practice together, you will have tools that you can use on your own time at your leisure whenever you need to, and you can have these forever. You will also have the opportunity to ask any questions you have about meditation and finding your calm. And there will be a private Facebook community where you can connect with the other participants and connect with some like-minded women, maybe make some new friends, bounce ideas off of each other, and all that good stuff. Um, so that's what we're doing. So just to recap, we're doing simple methods for breathing and meditation in the first week. And the second week, we are talking mindfulness, aka being in the present moment. How can you be in the moment? How can you embrace the present moment when things are not going the way you think they should? How can you release control and let things be what they are? In week three, we are doing some mindful movement with yoga and walking. And then week four, we are doing mantras and affirmations with meditation, and also just using those as a meditative practice and how you can use meditation as a spiritual practice or incorporate it into your spiritual practices. And then we will have weekly guided meditations live, and that's 4 guided meditations, audios, videos, PDFs with exercises, Q&A opportunities, and a private Facebook community. Um, and also, if you sign up by March the 1st, you receive a $20 discount. So let's talk about the investment because I know that is important to people. So if you sign up by March 1st, you get $20 off. So the program will be $130. Um, and there's also a 2-pay option. So you can split that up into 2 payments as long as it's paid by March 1st. That's the early bird pricing. And in addition to saving $20, you also get a 15-minute guided meditation session with me. So it'll be tailored to whatever you want to focus on. and we will get together and do some meditation before or during the program, whichever, whenever you have the time. And then after March 1st, the price goes up to 150. And again, there still be the 2 pay option there as well. And the deadline to sign up for the program is Saturday, March the 6th. So, oh, also there will only be 10 spots available. So, and the reason why is because I want to create an intimate experience. I want everybody to just have an intimate experience with each other, and I feel like we can have that with a smaller group of people and really connect with each other and all that good stuff. So there is a 10-person limit. So you might want to go ahead and jump on this, and you can sign up at bit.ly/meditation mindfulness experience. And of course, I'll be posting this out on social and all that good stuff as well. But that is the gist of the program. So if you are unfamiliar with meditation, because I know some people you might be interested in trying it or starting, but you feel like you can't meditate or it's just not going to work for you. So through this program, you will be able to see the different ways it can work for you, because what works for me might not work for you, but you'll be exposed to various ways that you can, and you can find at least one way that works for you. And just in case you don't know, okay, I just want to tell you, some reasons or some benefits of having a meditation practice, aside from, of course, helping you de-stress, helping you to have that inner peace and calm. It also helps you to worry less. It also helps you to be in the present moment as you go throughout your days. It can help you with any chronic pain you might be dealing with. It also can help with depression and anxiety. It helps actually boost your immune system, and also breathing with COVID. It's super useful for that, and either helping you get through it if you're dealing with it, or just keeping your immune system up. It also helps you to manage your mindset and your thoughts, because what we think and say to ourselves is usually what manifests in our lives. So having a meditation practice helps you become more aware of your self-talk and your thoughts, so that you are able to choose which thoughts you want to keep and then which ones that you want to get rid of. And it also helps you connect with the divine, whatever you call it, God, spirit, universe, goddess, higher self, whatever you call that. It helps you connect with that. Plus, to give a wider perspective, it also helps you improve your relationships with other people, mainly because you will become less emotionally reactive to things, and you will be more likely to think before you say things, or think before you react. So that's, I don't know, this sounds amazing to me, and it's really helped me in all those ways, actually. So yeah, that is what you can expect from the meditation and mindfulness 4-week experience. Um, I'm trying to think if there's anything else I want to share. Oh, so let me say this. This is for you. So let me just kind of break down who this is for. And this is also on the page. So you can, of course, go there. You can go there and see everything. Sorry, somebody came on. Or you can go there and see everything on the site. But just this program is for you if um, you are ready to do something about the stress and overwhelm you feel. So a lot of time, I'm sorry about that. We might feel stressed and overwhelmed, but we might not feel like we're ready to do something about it. So if you've been dealing with this for a long time and you're like, girl, yes, I need to do something about it. It's like making me sick, because it could literally be making you sick, because stress does that. And you might be like, okay, yeah, that means it's for you. If you're ready to actually do something about your stress, if you are ready to improve your emotional and well-being, your emotional and mental well-being, excuse me, this is for you. Again, and I don't like to keep bringing up the pandemic, but I know it has taken a toll on most of our mental and emotional well-being, including my own. So this program is for you if you want help with that. Um, if you are willing to give this a chance, even if you feel like, I don't know, I don't think I can meditate, or I don't think I can get my mind quiet, or I don't think I can be still. If you're willing to at least give it a try, take a chance and see if it works for you, then this is for you. And if you're willing to invest your time and maybe some coin in yourself just for this, for your mental emotional well-being, and even for the people around you, because as we women know, we kind of educate and really help build the community. So when we learn something, it kind of trickles to the people around us. So if you are really willing and ready to invest in yourself, this is for you. And if you want to transform your life and go from stress to serenity and from chaos to calm, this program is for you. So again, you can sign up at bit.ly/ meditation mindfulness experience. And I will post this. Well, I'm going to send this out and post it. And I will post it in the comments as well. But you can go there to sign up. And again, the early bird investment is $130. There's also a 2-pay option. So you can pay half now, half next week. And do it that way if you'd like. And then that pricing ends on March 1st. And then it goes up to $150, and then it's still a 2-pay option as well there. So yeah, that is what I wanted to share with you. I'm very excited. This is something kind of new for me, but meditation and mindfulness are topics that I love to talk about and I love to share with people because they've been so transformative and life-changing for me. And I really want to share them with you. So again, you can go to bit.ly/meditation mindfulness experience to learn more. If you have any questions or anything, you can reach out to me, Jamie, JAMIE, at blackmomsguidetocalm.com to learn more. Or if you have a question, or if you have a payment question, if you are watching this and you would like to sponsor somebody who may not have the resources to, participate right now, you can email me to let me know that as well. And I will definitely find somebody who's willing to, do this work and, invest in themselves to be sponsored. So that is what I have. The meditation and mindfulness 4-week experience launching March the 8th, by the way. So again, if you have questions, feel free to reach out and be sure to check out the site to learn more and to sign up. And I look forward to helping you on your journey to a more calm, peace, harmony, and relief and joy.